Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a YouTube account. Regain access easily step by step clearly. Open a trusted browser on your phone or computer and go to Accounts. Google.com/signin. Type the Google email or phone number connected to your YouTube account and click Next. If you forgot the email, click Forgot Email and follow the prompts using your recovery phone or recovery email. When asked for the password, click Forgot Password to start account recovery. Enter the last password you remember, because it improves your chance of verification. If you do not remember any password, choose Try Another Way to see more options. Check the recovery email inbox for a Google verification code and enter it on the screen. Check the recovery phone for an SMS or call code and enter it exactly as received. If you have access to a logged-in device, approve the Google prompt on that device. If Google asks security questions, answer them as accurately as possible. Use a familiar device and location you used before, because Google may block unusual sign-ins. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily to avoid triggering extra security checks. If you see account not found, recheck spelling and try the email variations you may have used. If you get wrong password, do not keep guessing, and continue with the recovery options instead. If you cannot access recovery methods, select Try Another Way until no options remain. When options are exhausted, wait 24 to 48 hours and try again, because recovery paths can change. After verification, create a new strong password that you have never used on any other site. Confirm the new password and sign in to your Google account successfully. Go to My Account, Google.com/security and review recent security activity for unknown logins. Open your devices and sign out of any device you do not recognize. Open third-party access and remove apps or services you do not trust. Turn on two-step verification to protect your YouTube account from future lockouts. Add or update your recovery phone number and recovery email so you can recover faster next time. Now open YouTube.com and confirm you are signed into the correct channel profile. If your channel was hacked, check YouTube Studio for changes to videos, permissions, and monetization. If needed, visit support Google.com/YouTube and use the hacked account or account recovery help flows. If you are a creator, contact YouTube Creator Support from Studio if you have access to that feature. Keep screenshots and email receipts of recovery attempts in case support asks for proof. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.